Simply create these animations, add a voiceover, upload the videos, and generate massive views and income. The best part is that you can use this exact same niche on Facebook as well. As you already know, I only recommend niches that are actually monetizable. And right now, this is one of the best monetizable niches available. You can verify it yourself from any source you like. If we talk about this channel's estimated earnings, it's currently making around $14,900 per month, which is an incredible amount of income. So today, I'm bringing you a 100% free AI image generator, plus a free AI video generator that lets you create text-to-image, image-to-video, and text-to-video content without spending a single dollar. Yes, everything I'm going to show you in this video is completely free, so don't skip any part of this tutorial, because every single step is important. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. As you already know, I've prepared a master prompt especially for you. This master prompt includes everything you need, from complete image prompts and video prompts to the voiceover workflow that I'll explain later in the video. All you need to do is copy the master prompt, open Claude AI or ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Claude AI may ask whether you already have a story. If not, simply visit the Stickman animation channel I showed you earlier. Take a screenshot of one of its videos, upload the screenshot into Claude AI, and click Generate. The AI will analyze the image and understand the style. After analyzing it, it may ask whether you already have a story. If you don't, simply type "Give me any story." Within seconds, it will generate a complete story for you, along with 10 detailed image prompts and 10 matching video prompts. It doesn't generate the voiceover, but don't worry, because later in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional AI voiceover as well. Now let's move to the first step, which is image generation. For this, we're going to use a completely free AI tool that allows unlimited image generation. Simply go to Google and search for ModelScope. Open the website, sign up or log in with your Google account, and you'll arrive at the main dashboard. You'll notice many different AI tools available there, but you don't need to worry about any of them. Simply click on the See Vision section at the top. Inside, you'll find both image generation and video generation options. Although you can generate videos here as well, I'll show you a better free video generator later. For now, click on Image Generator. You'll see two options, Advanced Generator and Instant Generator. I recommend using the Instant Generator because it's faster and perfect for this workflow, while the Advanced Generator is mainly designed for more professional use. You'll also find multiple AI models, but I simply use the default model. Paste your first image prompt, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, choose any style you like, and click Generate. Within a few moments, your first image will be ready. As you can see, the result looks fantastic. For a completely free tool, the image quality is excellent, around 720p, and most importantly, it generates the Stickman character in exactly the style we need. Simply download the image, go back to Claude AI, copy the second image prompt, paste it into ModelScope, and click Generate again. Repeat the same process for the third, fourth, and remaining prompts. Within a short time, all of your scene images will be ready. As you can see, every generated image looks beautiful and perfectly matches the story. Now it's time for video generation. Yes, ModelScope also offers video generation, but after testing it myself, I found that it takes a very long time to generate videos. That's why we're going to use another free AI tool instead. Simply search on Google for AI Video Maker, open the website, and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside, you'll notice several AI models, which might seem confusing at first. But don't worry, initially, select AI Video Maker V1, upload your first generated image, then return to Claude AI, copy the first video prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Choose your preferred video duration. If the tool asks for AI credits, don't worry. Simply switch the model from V1 to AI Video Maker V3, then click Generate. You may have to complete a quick verification. If it doesn't start immediately, simply click Generate again, and your video generation will begin. Within 1 or 2 minutes, your video will be ready. As you can see, it generates a high-quality 5-second animated video completely free, and the animation quality is surprisingly good. Now simply repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. Upload the next image, copy the next video prompt from Claude AI, paste it into the AI Video Maker, and click Generate. If the generation queue becomes slow, simply open another Chrome window or another browser, log in with a different Google account, upload the next image, select the same free model, paste the next prompt, and continue generating videos in parallel. This way, you can generate multiple videos much faster. As you can see, the second video also looks amazing. In my opinion, this is currently one of the best free AI video generation tools available, delivering excellent quality without any cost. Now let's move on to the next step, which is generating the voiceover. It's very simple. Go back to Claude AI and ask it, please give me a voiceover in paragraph format. As soon as you do that, Claude AI will generate a professional voiceover for you. By default, it usually creates a voiceover that's around 6 to 7 minutes long. However, if you want a shorter version, simply tell it, please make it short, and it will generate a shorter voiceover accordingly. Once your voiceover is ready, simply copy the entire text. Now let's convert that text into a realistic AI voice. Go to Google and search for free text-to-speech. Scroll down a little, and you'll find a website called Voice Generator Online Free. Open the website. The best part is that you don't even need to create an account or log in. Simply paste your copied voiceover into the text box, select English as the language, choose male as the gender, and then pick any natural-sounding male voice from the available options. Once you've selected the voice, simply click Convert to Speech. Within a few moments, your professional AI voiceover will be ready to download. Now comes the final step, which is editing your video. For editing, we're going to use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all of your generated videos along with the AI voiceover. Drag everything onto the timeline. Then, arrange each video clip one by one so that it perfectly matches the narration. Adjust the timing of every scene according to the voiceover to create a smooth storytelling experience. Continue syncing each clip until the entire video flows naturally. Next, remove the watermark or logo that appears from the AI video maker on each generated clip. I've already removed mine, and you should do the same to make your final video look clean and professional. After that, go to the music section inside CapCut and choose any emotional no-copyright background music. Add it beneath your voiceover and reduce the music volume so it doesn't overpower the narration. Adjust the background music throughout the video to create a more engaging viewing experience. Once that's done, go to the text section and select Auto Captions. Generate captions automatically for your entire voiceover. After the captions have been created, open the Templates section and choose any caption style that looks clean and attractive. This will make your videos more engaging and easier to watch. Before exporting, watch the entire video one final time to make sure everything is perfectly synchronized, including the video clips, voiceover, captions, transitions, and background music. If everything looks good, simply export your project in high quality. Congratulations! Your Stickman animation video is now ready to upload to YouTube and Facebook, giving you the opportunity to earn from both platforms. AI content is becoming incredibly popular on Facebook right now, and AI videos are getting massive reach. If you're not already creating content for Facebook, now is the perfect time to start because Facebook is actively monetizing AI content creators, creating a huge opportunity for new channels. I hope you found today's free AI tutorial valuable and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.